How to redeem secret codes in Clash Royale. In this video, I'm going to provide you a specific method for you to be able to redeem the secret code that you obtained and use it on your Clash Royale app. Now first, this is very important. Once you pull up the application, ensure that you're logged in into your Supercell ID or any account that you use for you to play the game. Now once you've done that, go on from here and then pull up any web browser working on your end, but I'm going to be using Google Chrome. We just need to simply go into store.supercell.com or just simply type in Supercell and then choose on the specific link that will redirect you into Supercell store. Once you're here, so since you're already logged in from the game, you just need to scroll all the way down from these options that you can see till you find the option here that says redeem a store code. This is where you officially redeem any kinds of codes, regardless if it is rare or a secret code. Type it in and hit on submit, and it will automatically be redeemed into your Supercell account. And that's it. That's how you redeem secret codes in Clash Royale.